A new wave of ocean magic. A Staten Island author unveils a children's book that blends wonder and science. Welcome to Inside Out, our weekly spotlight on Staten Islanders who are shaping their community through creativity, education, and community spirit. Have a story to share? Email Danette Vigilante at siadvance.com. In a world where imagination often clashes with reality, Danette Vigilante has crafted a magical bridge between the two. As an experienced writer, she's now launched The Sand Beneath the Waves, a picture book that turns the ocean into a playground of curiosity and discovery. This is no ordinary tale. This is a journey through coral reefs, swirling currents, and the hidden secrets of the sea, all designed to spark a lifelong love of science and nature. But here's where it gets controversial. Should stories about the ocean be told from a scientific perspective, or should they embrace the whimsy of wonder? Vigilante leans toward the latter. Her book, illustrated by Olga Seregina, is a lyrical celebration of the sea, blending playful rhymes with real ocean facts. It's not just a story, it's a lesson disguised as a bedtime adventure, perfect for young readers aged 4 to 9. What sets this book apart? Vigilante plans to bring the ocean to life in classrooms and libraries. With real coral, seashells, and sand, she'll offer kids a tactile, immersive experience that turns learning into a game. It's not just about facts, she says. It's about sparking curiosity through magic. This approach has earned praise from marine educator Melissa Cristina Marquez, who calls the book a charming blend of science and storytelling that feels both magical and educational. But some may argue that a scientific lens is essential for accurate learning. Still, Vigilante believes that wonder is the first step to understanding the world. Beyond the ocean, Vigilante is a passionate advocate for literacy. She maintains a little free library on her lawn and has authored several acclaimed books, including Tia Lugo Speaks No Evil and The Trouble with Half a Moon. Her upcoming middle grade series, Luke and Lonnie, promises even more adventure as 12-year-old twins uncover their superhero grandparents' secret identities. As the back-to-school season begins, The Sand Beneath the Waves is more than a book. It's a call to action. It invites readers to explore the world with open eyes and curious hearts. And for those who doubt the power of storytelling, let's ask, can a book truly change the way we see the ocean? Or is it just another page in the story of human imagination? The Sand Beneath the Waves is available on Amazon. For more on Staten Island's cultural scene, check out our weekly roundup.